Hello everybody, my name's Mandy and today I am playing with a watt meter power analyzer. Basically what this watt meter does is it shows your amps coming in, your volts coming in, the battery voltage, and your kilowatt hours coming in as well. Right now we have a 100-watt solar panel wired into this. It's 12 volts. Currently the actual voltage is 20.6 coming in. This is made for wind and solar applications as well. When you're actually wiring in, the source side is where the wind and solar will actually wire into, and your batteries will actually wire into the load side.